How to subscribe on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can subscribe on Amazon Prime Video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So open up a browser and in the search bar, head over to primevideo.com. And once you're here, you'll be taken into the official website. So if you already have a Prime Video member account, you could simply sign in. If not, if you would like to subscribe to the Prime Video, then what you have to do is navigate to your profile at the top right if you're already signed in. Then head over to account and settings. So once you land on your account option, it says your membership, you do not have a subscription to Prime Video. So in order to subscribe to an Amazon Prime Video, you have to click on set up a payment method, or you could create another account. For now, let's go and create a set up payment method. So once you're here, you have to add your payment method. You have to enter your credit or debit card or any other supported payment option right here. Then enter your name on the card, your credit card, expiration date, then click on add to cart. If asked, you may also have to enter your billing address. Once you add your card and click on confirm to complete the subscriptions, you are now subscribed. Then you can start watching the video right away on your browser or download the Prime Video application on your mobile device. So that's it. That's how you can subscribe on Amazon Prime Video, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.